Hello, this is teacher Kim Hoben이, and today we'll be talking about how to say because, okay, which means 먹기 때문에, okay, and we usually do it with two different situations, okay. So let's say there's situation A. Because of situation A, 뭐뭐 A 때문에 B. Because of situation A, B happens, okay. So let's see what I mean by it in exercises. Teacher Kim, subscribe and like. Okay, so 기 때문에 is a casual conjunctive ending. It may be used with any verb or adjective, and the tense infixes at, get can be used if necessary, but you don't need to use it if it's not necessary. So let's see what I mean by it. First example is 요즘 바쁘기 때문에 여행을 못 가요. Because I'm busy these days, I cannot go travel. So you can see how before 기 때문에 because it says I'm busy these days. 요즘 바쁘기. Okay. So because of I'm busy these days, I cannot go travel. 여행을 못 가요. The next one is 저는 아프기 때문에 병원에 가요. Because I am sick, I cannot go to hospital. The next one is 친구한테 돈을 빌려줬기 때문에 지금 돈이 없어요. Okay. So why does he not have money right now? Because I lent money to my friend, I don't have money right now. 친구한테 돈을 빌려줬기 때문에 지금 돈이 없어요. That's why it's very important when you're lending money, you have to be very careful. And when you're lending money, what I learned from my own personal experience is that lend money that you don't mind not getting it back, okay? Because you're gonna think too much about the money. So just if you can trust that person, or if you just want to give the person and you don't mind getting it back, then you can lend the money. So, but it's hard to lend the money expecting the money to be back. Okay? Well, this is not related to a Korean lesson, so just know that 뭐뭐기 때문에 is used in between situation and situation, in between situation A and situation B. Because of A, B happened, and in between you put 때기 때문에. Okay. Well, this has been teacher Kim. Hope this was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.